Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've finally got a pronunciation video for you today, and it's all about 10 words that you might be pronouncing incorrectly. So let's get started. Okay, so the first word is this one. How would you say it? It's not fruit. Not fruit. There are not two syllables there. We actually pronounce this word fruit. Fruit. So many students make the mistake of saying fruit. But it's not fruit, it's just fruit. Fruit. And fruit is my favorite food. Okay, now the next word we have is this one. So many students actually pronounce this how they would pronounce in their own language. Probably the Italians and Spanish more than anything. But we pronounce this not cows, but chaos, chaos. We almost add a Y sound, chaos, chaos. It was an absolute chaos. The same with adjective form, it was chaotic, chaotic. Okay, the number 3 we have is this one. Now I remember that many people think, and including me as well, think that wow, that's a crazy spelling because it's so different to its pronunciation. Now I've heard all different pronunciations for this word. I've heard Q, U, and whatever, but really we just say Q, Q. It's just Q. Only one syllable is there, and it is verb and noun as well. Now onto the number 4, and this one always makes me laugh when people say this because it is really difficult to say, and it is this one. Now I hear people say crisps, crisps. We say crisp, crisp. The sip sound is very difficult for some people to say, so you need to practice this in the mirror before you brush your teeth every night. Crisp, crisp. Okay, so the number 5 is this one. If you like cooking, then you should have seen this word before, and almost people say recipes or recipes and whatever. But it should be recipe, recipe. So it's very irregular word. Normally when an E sound is on the end, we don't pronounce it. But in this case, we do. Recipe, recipe. There are 3 syllables there. Okay, now number 6 is this one. So many people pronounce this word incorrectly. They want to say every syllable. So they say comfortable, comfortable. But really, it's not comfortable, it's comfortable, comfortable, comfortable. So it's not comfortable, it's just comfortable, comfortable. Okay. So we actually lose a syllable there. The same goes for the number 7, which is, how would you pronounce this? Not vegetable, vegetable, vegetable. Not vegetable, it's vegetable. Similarly, we have the number 8. Very important word. If you don't know this, then you're crazy because it's a big part of my life. I hear many people say chocolate or chocolate or choco, whatever. But we say chocolate, chocolate. So it's just 2 syllables, and I understand it's quite hard for many people to pronounce, but you want to speak English well, you got to practice. So chocolate, chocolate. Okay, and my last 2 are the days of the week. So the number 9 is this one. Not one of my favorite days of the week, but it's very important to pronounce it correctly. I always hear Tuesday, It's not Tuesday, it's Tuesday. Tuesday. Not Tuesday, it's Tuesday. And then the last one is another day of the week. Not Wednesday, it's Wednesday. Wednesday. Not Wednesday, it's Wednesday. So that's it for this pronunciation lesson. I really hope it helped you, and hopefully you can now pronounce these words more confidently. You will need to repeat and practice again and again, but that's part of learning language. So get started now. So take care everyone, and bye bye.